Take a ride in the 2020 Fit. The Fit was engineered to be useful, efficient, and reliable. But its most important attribute is its innate charm and coolness, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.